So what is given third question? Using ruler and compasses, draw AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Locate its midpoint by geometric construction. So using ruler and compass, you have to draw a line segment. So ruler and compass, you have to draw a line segment. AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter and locate its midpoint by geometric construction. Okay. Shall we start, ma? Take the book, all of you. Take the compass, ruler, pencil. So first one, what you have to write? Third question. What is given? Given AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter. So given AB equal to 6.4 centimeters. Now take the scale, pencil. So 6.4 centimeters. Keep it like this. 0 to here 6 is there, no? 6 after you have to count small lines, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6.4. Draw a line segment. So A, B, 6.4 centimeters. Now, did you finish, ma? Line segment? Now take the compass. Do it fast. Take the compass. More than half take it. Okay. So you have to take more than half of the radius and draw an arc with center A. And draw an arc both top and bottom. And with same radius with center B, draw an arc upside and downside. Okay. Now join the line with scale. So this is the midpoint. Midpoint you have to put the point O. Okay. So now what is the centimeter? How many centimeters will get? See, check it. Exactly it is. See, 3.2 centimeters will get. So what is the midpoint? Midpoint O is equal to 3.2 centimeters. Did you understand, ma, how to construct? First you have to take the ruler. Draw a line segment 6.4 centimeters. Okay. Then take the compass. Measure more than half of this radius. More than half like this. And with center A, draw an arc upside and downside. And also with center B, same radius, draw an arc upside and downside. Then join this line. We will get the midpoint here. Okay. So this is the midpoint. Now you have to measure center point with scale. How many centimeters will get? 3.2. So midpoint O is equal to 3.2 centimeters. So 6.4 centimeter by 2. How much? 3.2 will get. We will get 3.2 centimeters midpoint. Did you understand, ma? Okay, draw. Put the heading exercise 10.3. Construct the following angles with the help of a protractor. So you have to construct angles with the help of a protractor. First one was angle ABC is equal to 65 degrees. Write this one. Now look at this one. What is given first one? Angle ABC is equal to 65 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 65 degrees given. So how to construct You have to use scale, protractor and pencil. Now take the scale, all of you. You can draw any measurement as you like. Draw a ray. Any measurement as you like. Okay. In this ray, you have to put the point here, B. Here you have to put the point C. Did you understand? First you have to draw a ray. Any measurement you have to take. Here put the point B. Here C. Now take the protractor. How many degrees given? 65 degrees. Angle ABC. What is the middle one? B. Angle B is equal to 65 degrees. Take the protractor. Keep it on B like this. Midpoint. So this line will be intersected here. Okay. 65 degrees. This line will be extended this side now. So where it is Z? Here. Inner circle. Inner scale. So 65 degrees. 60 here. 65 here. 65 degrees. Okay. Now take the scale. Join this line. So you have to put here X. Here Y. And here you have to put the point A. A, B, C. Now angle B is equal to how many degrees? 65 degrees. Did you understand how to construct? First you have to draw a ray. Any measurement you have to take and put the point B and here put the point C. And next, what is the middle one here? B. So angle B is equal to 65 degrees. Take the protractor. Keep the midpoint on B like this. This line will be intersect here, this line. So this line will be extended this side now. So it is 0 is in the inner circle, inner scale. So you have to measure inner scale. Here 60 degrees is there. 60 after count 5 lines. That is here 65. Put the point here and join the line like this. Okay. You have to put the point here. Right. Where you have to will get the point. You have to write A. And angle 65 degrees right. Did you understand, children? Did you understand? Second question, what is given? Angle PQR equal to 136 degrees. So take ruler. Any measurement you have to draw a ray. So what is given here? P, Q, and here you have to put R. This is X. Okay. Now take the protractor. How many degrees given? Angle Q is equal to 136 degrees. Keep it on Q. Center. 136 degrees. This is the line will be extended this side now. So you have to take the inner scale. 130 degrees. Where it is? 136, 100 here. 130 here. 136. So this is 135, 136 here. Okay. Put the point there. Then take the scale. Draw the line. Y. And here where point will get no. So you have to write here P. So how many degrees angle Q? 136 degrees. Did you understand how to construct? Again I will tell. Look at me. Take any measurement, draw a ray. Draw a ray QX. Okay ma? Here you have to put the Q and here point R you have to put it. Then take the protractor, keep it on Q Find the measure 136 degrees. We'll get the point now. Join that line. Put the point there P. Write here 136 degrees. Did you understand, children? Like that you can do third sum and fourth sum homework sum. Angle Y is equal to 45 degrees. Angle O is equal to 172 degrees. You can do homeworks, that two sums.